Hello beautiful folks, this is again Ashish from ashvircreations, and today I'm gonna give you wedding tone preset in the form of desktop Lightroom, mobile Lightroom DNG and a camera preset, XMP preset. All the links are down given in the description. Just click on the plus button, unselect the JPG, only select the raw files. Raw files are the preset file which are present in USD. So this is the preset, that is wedding tone preset. Now we're gonna import it to our Lightroom gallery and just wait for the preset to be added to our old photos of the Lightroom application. So here is the photo or the preset. Now all we're gonna do is just click on the three dots, select the copy settings and just hit OK. Now go back and we're gonna apply it to the photo and see how this actually looks. So let's click on the three dots, select the paste settings and you are done. You can see the difference, guys. This one is so dope, kind of brownish vibe it is giving. Mostly guys, these photos are, this kind of color effects are used in pre-wedding photos or indoor couple photos, so you can use them in your indoor photos to make them stand out. So this photo or color effect are very trending nowadays, so you should definitely check this out and use them in your couple photos. And even guys, you can also use them in your portrait photos also. It will also make them stand out and it will look more creative and amazing. Let's try it on this photograph and you can see the magic, guys. This is so dope. So let me try it on this photo. Just click on three dots and select the paste settings. So guys, you can see this one is so dope. So I hope you all have enjoyed this preset. If you enjoyed, then just smash the like button so that it will motivate me to make more videos and presets like this for you guys for free. And if you still not subscribed yet, then kindly do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified of our videos and presets. Also visit our website www.ashvircreations.com and filterpreset.com to download all the premium collection of presets just for free. So guys, go and check it out, that website. And guys, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, just type ashvircreations. So guys, thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial. Till then guys, be creative and be awesome.